In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Basecamp. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, logging into Basecamp is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to basecamp.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Customer Login. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page where you have a couple of options to access your account. Now, if you're signing in for the first time or prefer using your email, simply enter the email address associated with your Basecamp account followed by your password. Make sure you type your details correctly to avoid any frustration. Typos are more common than you might think. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so before you can log in. For those who have linked their Google account to Basecamp, there's an even smoother way to sign in. You'll notice an option labeled Sign In with Google. Clicking this will redirect you to the Google sign-in interface. If you've already signed into your Google account on your device, you might not even need to enter your details again. It's all about convenience. In situations where you might be already logged into Basecamp on your current browser session, you'll experience an even more seamless entry. Instead of prompting you for login details, your browser will take you directly to your Basecamp workspace. This is particularly handy if you're working in a team environment where speed and efficiency are key. If you're working on a shared computer and need to keep your account secure, always remember to log out of Basecamp once you're finished. This can be done with ease by clicking on your avatar or profile icon and selecting the Log Out option. It's also worth mentioning that if you're experiencing issues logging in, double-check that your internet connection is stable and confirm your login credentials are correct. Should problems persist, Basecamp's support team is known for being responsive and helpful. And there you have it. Logging into Basecamp is designed to be as simple as possible, whether you're entering your email and password or using the Google Sign-In feature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay productive and enjoy using Basecamp.